how I built a £500 website while I was boiling the kettle. Yes, it's true. Most people on social media, they just scroll. They doom scroll social media while the kettle's boiling. I'm going to show you how I built a £500 website in that same time. No coding, no tech skills, just one prompt, and we're going to do a live demonstration of it. So let's see what happens. Quick intro: if you don't know me, I help everyday people, especially Gen Xers and above, create additional income streams online without all the tech overwhelm and all of that hassle that puts you right off. And right now, this is one of the biggest opportunities I've had in a long time, and this one I think you're going to like because it's super, super simple. We're using vibe coding, and we're actually using a product called Lovable AI. And I'm going to share that with you on my screen. So we're going to do a little split screen so you can see exactly how this actually works. So there you go, there's in the stream. I'm actually going to put myself down in the corner there so you can really see what's happening. And actually, you know what? I'm going to also open ChatGPT because I want you to see the exact process. In fact, let me just share a different tab and I'll show you exactly what we do. So look, come into Google. Okay, this is exactly how we've done it. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to follow me for the next few days while I put this into action, and then you can see the results that we're going to get. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a website. Okay, might create several websites, and then we're going to reach out to local trades to see whether, if they've not got a website, if they want an improvement, what we can do with those websites as well. There's a whole ton of stuff we can do, which will generate them more leads and clients. And so that is the value proposition. So stick with me. So first of all, we're going to need to go find, let's do car plumbers near me. Okay, so we have a look at that. And we go down to Google Maps. Click on here, more business. So you got sponsored elements there. Okay, so they're probably going to be all tickety-boo. I see lots of them have got websites. Rushmore Heating and Plumbing, though. Look, here, this could be a good one. So we've got, 33 5-star reviews and no website. And Jeff, actually, I know Jeff. How funny. Jeff's really cool. He's a, he's a chili eating champion. I didn't realise he didn't have a website. Oh, bless him. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to come down and scroll through and pick up all of his details from Google My Business, or Google Maps, what it's called these days. And now we're going to come back into Lovable. Okay, and we're going to just literally drop that information in there. So that's information. But we need to tell it to do something with it. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT and say, I want to ask Lovable AI, Lovable AI to generate a top website to help a plumbing business to get more leads and sales and more visibility online. Please give me a prompt to use Lovable. Okay, so we do this a lot as we use other AIs to generate really good prompts. So look, so this is going to be create a modern, perfect. Chat knows me so well. Cool. So look at look at this. So this is going to be a meaty prompt. What most people would do, genuinely, most people would just type in, create me a website that will get leads and sales for this business. No, we're not doing that. We are going extra. Pages, about page, contact page, quote request, sticky headers, SEO optimization, FAQs. Cool. Let's do that. Look, it's even going to give us our 3-step outreach as well. Right. Okay. So we've got that copied. Let's go back to so typed in all that big prompt. Here we go. Details. Details below. And we could probably actually, I'll try it. Well, we can probably actually just drop. Well, they haven't got a website. We could probably drop the Google My Business website in there, couldn't we? So that's going to have that might take a little bit longer than a boiling kettle, but it's going to be good. You're going to love it. Okay, got any questions? Please do just drop them in the comments. So look, it's going to be plan it out. So plumbing business, planning content hierarchy, set up design system, build a layout, shared components, build all pages, wired up routing and finishing touches. It's going to be doing a lot of work and it's going to be generating a lot of code, but the result is going to absolutely blow your mind. This sort of thing used to take hours, days even, in order to get right. And this is going to do it so fast. I've got a friend of mine when I worked in the agency, Alan, lovely guy, web designer. This I think would make his life so much easier. And then he's got the coding, so he can actually then go and chop it and change it himself. So you don't want to particularly remove the entire web building coder's job, but this will give it a basics that will be able to then just tweak and trim, which will be fantastic. So let's see how we're doing. So that's working well there. Let's have a look at his. So we've got some photos, we've got some reviews, so we might add those in later on, but we can't just drop that. Doesn't look like we can just drop that in. He's got great reviews, and he's a really great. He's a great plumber for sure. I just can't believe. Look, you've got G20 plumbing here. No website. 55 reviews. We could do them. Some of these will have crappy websites, I bet you. Plumbing and heating central. Nothing. Probably not a lot going on there. Go the next page down. Yeah. Oops, no. There we go. Yeah, so look, we've got lots of these ones. Direction, no RJ Prince directions, no website. So there's quite a few. Look, he's got 11 stars, 6. We can maybe not them. But yeah, plenty of scope. That's for sure. All within quite a short little radius. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Right, let's jump back over to Lovable. Okay, it's building the layout. Yeah, this kettle might. The kettle might have blown a fuse, but bear with me, it's going to be good. This is good, and if you've ever tried, let's have a look. It's while that's whirring away, let's just see what the pricing is for Lovable pricing plans. So look, here we go. Now I'm lucky enough. I'll share this. So I'm lucky enough, and I'll drop the affiliate link in the comments later. But yeah, I'm lucky enough to be having and using this for free because I'm promoting them at the moment as a user generated content views things. So getting lots of views for them on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, brand new accounts, things like that. So look, so you £44 a month for Pro business. That's pretty good going. So you got credits, so you get X amount of credits, 5 daily credits up to 150 a month. That's good. AI, credit rollovers, on demand, top ups, domains, perfect. Remove all the badges. So that's pretty neat. And you've got enterprise that you can use it for free. Oh, platform fee, sorry. But no, so £44 a month. Probably worth it. If you want to try it out, it's worth it. When you think that you're going to be building websites that would cost hundreds and hundreds of pounds, I would suggest if this was a in lighting your boat, one of the things you like to do, then absolutely just get it for a month, try it out, see what you think. Okay, so here we go. Look, it's now done it. It's only been a few minutes, and look at this. In fact, let's preview it. Let's share it. So that was interesting. So yeah, it's got a pop-up because it thought I was leaving. Free quote and checklist. There's a number down in the bottom corner. You can see that's an absolute live number. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Fully licensed, insured. Our services, what our customers say. All this is picked up from EA does bathrooms. Yeah. Cool stuff. Areas they cover, frequently asked questions. Yeah, look, in 60 minutes, we're fully gas safe. Got a number you can dial straight away, get a free quote. That's pretty cool stuff. Services. There you go. All these pages about. That's good. That's Jeff. Certifications. All of that. Look, that and that. Okay, might have been slightly longer than it took a kettle to boil, but that was pretty impressive stuff. Okay, so that's pretty neat. Free quote, share, and see what you can do is you can publish. So it will give you a one on a subdomain of the Lovable app, but you can add a custom domain, so you can go get an actual domain for them, which would be good. You can get a nice local one, but we won't do that just yet. But yeah, so we can publish it on that. So okay, continue. Anyone can see the website. Let's continue there. So it comes up plumber in Farnborough, Rushmore. We've got the number, so that's some description. Perfect. Let's just quickly in on with the link. Okay. Now, what we can do before we publish it, let's go back, is we can ask Lovable test the site end to end, test on mobile, make forms functional with backend. So where we got these forms here, so with these we can make them functional with backend stuff. So you can put in, so we can show someone how they can add a form to get a quote. Okay, and that'd be good. And yeah, so test it on mobile. Let's do that. Check how the site looks on mobile phone size. Everything is responsive. So it's just going to check it out. Yeah, now, of course, if you're then using, because it's a brand new website, we can then take this and we can actually add little widgets to it. So we can have an online chat. In fact, it's got one there. Oh, it's WhatsApp. Yeah, so that one's a WhatsApp chat. So that we can link up. We can also put one of our AI widgets on it. Okay, you get AI widgets that you can add on, and that'd be really cool. So let's go back there. So yeah, so this is really one heck of a piece of kit. So we can get it published, we can add widgets on, we can actually then host it, send it, and show it with a plumber virtual receptionist, if you like. That way, it can stay online, it can stay open 24/7 because it will take details, it can book appointments, all while Jeff the plumber is asleep. So that, I've got to say, I think that would be worth at least 300 to 500 pounds, if not thousands, actually, in reality. But that's the way we do it, and that's the opportunity you have here with Lovable. Okay, now I'm a Lovable partner, so obviously I'm a little bit biased, but it's a really, really cool piece of text. Okay, so that's the thing. So what I tried to explain to you is that low smoker businesses, they've got outdated websites or no websites at all, like Jeff's, and they're losing customers every day. That's the truth, and they don't know how to fix it, and that's where this comes in. Okay, so we've got the local plumber's details. We dropped it into Lovable. We asked ChatGPT to create us a really good prompt, because that's what really matters with these AIs. And yeah, so we could have, what most people have done would have said, create a modern high converting website for a local publishing plumbing business, include homepage services. We went deep with ChatGPT, and that's why it built some. It would have done good, but it built something very, very special. Okay, so look, so we've got home pages. We went through the services. We've got the contact form, and it's a real usable website, which is cool. And now this is the part that most people were going to miss. Okay, this isn't about building websites; it's about solving a problem. So, if a plumber, if our friend Jeff gets one extra job, okay, that could be £100, £500. So, charging £300 to £500 for this, it's a bit of a no-brainer just to get him online, open. In fact, on the Google My Business, non Google Maps, the it won't show you if you're shut. It won't show you in a listing. So if you're a plumber or whatever service you're in, and you are closing at 5 or 6 p.m., you're not going to be shown. They're going to show you. Google will show someone who's open 24/7, and that allows us to do that by having our little widget, so they can take any inquiries and book appointments. That allows you to be open 24/7. So yeah, so if you're sat there thinking, could I actually do this? You're right. You can, and I'm here to help you through it. So if you want the exact prompts that I used, then just message me. I can give them to you, or jump over to my free community on the Digital Income Freedom Hub.